Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache Stratos was a powerful open-source PaaS framework that aimed to simplify the deployment and management of scalable applications in cloud environments. It abstracted the complexities of infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on code rather than configuration. Although retired in 2021, its design principles and architecture offer valuable insights into cloud-native development. Apache Stratos stood out for its ability to deploy applications across multiple cloud platforms seamlessly. Its multi-tenancy support made it ideal for enterprise environments. With auto-scaling and high availability, it ensured applications ran efficiently under varying loads. The RESTful API enabled automation and integration with DevOps pipelines. At the heart of Apache Stratos was a modular architecture designed for flexibility and scalability. The cloud controller managed cloud resources, while the autoscaler adjusted capacity based on demand. The load balancer ensured optimal traffic distribution, and the Cartridge agent handled runtime environments for applications. The Cartridge model was a defining feature of Apache Stratos. It encapsulated all runtime, deployment, and configuration logic into portable units. This approach allowed developers to deploy diverse middleware types like Tomcat, PHP, or MySQL with minimal effort. Cartridges ensured consistency and portability across cloud environments. Apache Stratos featured a robust auto-scaling mechanism that adapted to real-time demands. It could scale horizontally by adding more instances or vertically by increasing resource allocation. Scaling decisions were based on CPU, memory, or custom metrics, ensuring efficient resource use and improved application performance. Service grouping in Apache Stratos allowed developers to manage interconnected services as a single unit. This feature was especially useful for complex microservices architectures, where coordinated scaling and failover were critical. It simplified deployment and ensured interdependent components worked seamlessly. Apache Stratos provided a comprehensive RESTful API that enabled lifecycle management of applications. Developers could deploy, scale, and monitor applications programmatically. This API integration was key for DevOps automation and CI/CD pipelines, offering seamless control over cloud resources. Apache Stratos included metering capabilities that tracked resource consumption across tenants. This feature was essential for enterprise environments where cost allocation and billing were critical. It provided insights into usage trends and helped enforce cloud governance policies. High availability was a key strength of Apache Stratos. It supported clustering of critical services, ensuring redundancy and fault tolerance. Automated failover mechanisms minimized downtime, making it suitable for mission-critical applications that required continuous uptime. Apache Stratos was designed to be extensible. Developers could create custom plugins for cloud providers, middleware, or runtime environments. This flexibility allowed it to adapt to diverse infrastructures and integrate with third-party tools seamlessly. Apache Stratos was engineered for high performance and scalability. It utilized resources efficiently and featured latency-sensitive load balancing. Whether deploying in containers or virtual machines, it offered both horizontal and vertical scaling to meet application demands. The deployment workflow in Apache Stratos started with defining cartridges that encapsulated runtime environments. These were deployed through the cloud controller, monitored and scaled by the autoscaler, and managed via RESTful APIs for full lifecycle control. One of the key use cases for Apache Stratos was enterprise PaaS deployments. Organizations used it to manage hybrid cloud environments, deploy scalable microservices, host high-traffic web apps, and automate DevOps workflows with its powerful API integrations. While Apache Stratos was innovative, modern solutions like Kubernetes and Docker have taken center stage. Kubernetes excels at container orchestration, while Docker simplifies containerization. Cloud Foundry offers similar PaaS capabilities with stronger community support. Stratos, unfortunately, couldn't keep pace. Apache Stratos offered a cloud-agnostic and modular approach to PaaS. Its auto-scaling and RESTful APIs were ahead of its time. However, it suffered from limited community support and was eventually outpaced by container-centric solutions like Kubernetes and Docker. To understand Apache Stratos better, it's helpful to explore related technologies. Kubernetes and Docker are essential for modern cloud deployments. OpenStack provides private cloud infrastructure, while Cloud Foundry offers PaaS features similar to Stratos. If you're interested in cloud platforms, start with cloud computing fundamentals. Then, learn about PaaS and deployment models. Master containerization with Docker and dive into orchestration with Kubernetes. These skills will give you a strong foundation for modern cloud development. Although Apache Stratos is no longer active, its legacy lives on. It showcased innovative architecture and features that influenced modern cloud platforms. Its decline highlighted the importance of community support and the industry's shift toward containerization. Apache Stratos was a visionary PaaS framework that influenced modern cloud development. While retired, it remains relevant for understanding cloud architecture evolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.